Hello, everyone. Imagine walking for hours through a dense forest. Your energy is fading, thirst is growing, and every wrong decision could make things worse. Survival in the wild is not only about strength, it's about knowledge. Around the world, explorers and survival experts rely on certain fruits because they provide hydration, energy, and essential nutrients needed to stay alive. Let's count down the top 5 survival fruits. Number 5. Papaya. Papaya is more than just a tropical fruit. It works like natural survival medicine. It contains digestive enzymes that help your body process unfamiliar foods in the wild. Its high water content helps prevent dehydration. Survival fact: even unripe papaya can be cooked and eaten like a vegetable. Number 4. Mango. Mango is a natural energy booster. It is rich in natural sugars that give quick energy and vitamins A and C that support immunity, something extremely important during survival situations. In many tropical forests, wild mango trees grow naturally, making them easier to find. Number 3. Date fruit. Small in size but packed with energy. Dates have been used for centuries as survival food in deserts and harsh environments. They contain natural glucose and fructose that quickly restore strength. Survival secret: dates last long without spoiling, making them nature's energy storage food. Number 2. Breadfruit. Breadfruit is often called tree bread. It is rich in carbohydrates and keeps you full for a long time. When roasted over fire, its texture becomes similar to bread or potatoes. In many Pacific islands, people survived for generations relying mainly on breadfruit. Number 1. Coconut. The true king of survival foods, coconut. It provides 2 life-saving resources at once: clean drinking water and high-energy edible flesh. Coconut water works as a natural electrolyte drink, while the flesh provides healthy fats for long-lasting energy. That's why survival experts call coconut nature's survival kit. So, these were the top 5 fruits that can help keep you alive in a wild forest anywhere in the world. Nature provides everything we need if we know how to recognize it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your next survival topic idea. See you in the next video.